Never in Arthur's time, nor now I trow, think I that man saw so fine a blow as in the brawl with our Sordel de Goit from an angry star's bow. And if the blow was not of death's decree, he who struck it wasn't wrong by my plea, but he has heart so humble and so free, takes in peace all blows, since no blood flows in fee. Never a person so miserly endowed, think I that man saw as the old vile wretch, the miserable cur I know, Lord Emerick with his is sad and cowed, who sees him is at the point of death's decree, and though all his body is twisted perversely, and lean and dry and old and lame and humped indeed, 1,000 times more he said than ever he did indeed. Never in Arthur's time, nor now I trow, think I that man saw so fine a blow as in the brawl with all Sordel de Goit from an angry star's bow.